Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Highlight and Note Take feature in MedOne Vet. Highlighting and note taking is a great way to refer back to content in your reading for future use. To highlight and note take in MedOne Vet, first go to an area of text that you would like to go back and review. Once you've found the text, highlight it, select a color, and add your note. Then select Save. If you'd like to go back and look at content that you've highlighted and taken notes on, simply go to your account, select Notes and Highlighting, and you'll see the link to the area that you annotated. Please note that anything that you highlight and take notes on is exclusively for your personal use and is attached to your personal account. This means you need to have a personal MedOne account. You can create one by following the directions in the MedOne FAQ located here on the left nav. If you would like to create a reading list for others to look at with you so that you can share among your organization, please go to our video showing you how to create a shareable playlist. We hope this information helps you make the most use out of your MedOne Vet subscription.